Bitcoin shows a potential 3.5% gain by tomorrow per crypto predictions. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. Bitcoin has risen 1.5% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $78,929.70. Let's move into expert prediction mode. Crypto Predictions expects tomorrow's price to reach $81,675.33, suggesting a potential rise of about 3.5%. CoinCodex projects a move up to $79,802.84 for Bitcoin, which implies a gain of 1.1%. CryptoNation notes it could slip to $78,181.13, a fall close to 1%. A different forecast from Digital Coin Price notes Bitcoin could head lower to $77,092.22, about 2.4% below current levels. To finish, Gulf Capital Collector aims for $76,022.84 by April 28. That's 3.7% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. From all the input gathered, the potential market move could be from a decline of 3.7% to an increase of 3.5%, depending on the analyst. It appears Gulf Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 3.7% gain in value by April 28. Ultimately, you could realize between $10 and $37 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, CryptoNation's forecast is the most dependable, with a 75.1% chance of success. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. All forecasts together place Bitcoin steady around $78,554.87. Alright, here's the inside view. The consensus estimate points to a loss of around 0.5%. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 0.5%. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $5 of upside. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 79.5%. Next, let's see how analysts expect the market to perform over the 3 days. Crypto Predictions expects Bitcoin to rise over the next few days. Additionally, CoinCodex forecasts the price pushing higher. A bearish forecast is made by CryptoNation, expecting losses. A bearish outlook is similarly projected by Digital Coin Price, pointing to a decline. Similarly, Gulf Capital Collector describes the near-term path as bearish. By combining analyst perspectives, the consensus suggests Bitcoin will stay level, showing no significant shifts in the near term. In total, 60% of projections highlight a bearish outlook for Bitcoin. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $78,662.60. The closing price showed that only a handful of forecasts had the direction right. If the focus is accuracy, CoinLore was ahead of the rest. Now let's sort it out. Only a single prediction was inside the candle's boundaries. When it comes to ROI, several results turn positive, with Gulf Capital Collector showing the best return of 1.3%. Here's the full recap table, the entire set of results shown together. Traders Union reported $2,561 accuracy, while forecast probability was 66.3% and ROI minus 1.3%. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't on top this time as Zcash leads with 7.5%. Here we're showing Bitcoin alongside 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison is already there on my website. That's all for now, everyone. If this video saved you time or helped you understand things better, a like would mean a lot. Bye, everyone.